Hello guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to be doing this absolutely massive lot unboxing. As you can see, the box is pretty big, and it's full of a bunch of assorted HO scale stuff in boxes and not. First we have what looks to be some older cars. Yeah, so we have this older tank car. I'm not sure who makes it, but it's very nice looking. There is no brand. I wish I knew who made this because I would love to get some more. But that's very nice. And then we have what looks to be like a Mantua Tyco very low gondola. That's also very nice because it's kind of weathered and it's heavy too, so that's nice. Next we have some, this is O scale, but I can put these crates on flat cars and make it seem like a really big load. And they're really heavy because they're really thick resin, as you can see. Now, next item, we have these two cabooses. Here we have a Union Pacific cabooses. Now they're both Athearn. Now, as you can see, metal wheels but no couplers. That's not really that big of a problem because they've got couplers. And here we have this Santa Fe caboose. Now this also looks to be Athearn. I'm not sure if those are metal wheels. Not too sure. They are kind of cold to the touch, so I think they are. But this seems to be a newer Athearn caboose because, as you can see, the end rails are plastic, and the printing is a lot better. Very dusty, and it has windows too. So I think this is a newer Athearn. And it has the Bachmann EasyMate, which Athearn did use for, I think, a few years. Here we have more gondolas. Yep. So this seems to be a roundhouse gondola. Now it seems to be that there's no weight in here at all. It seems to be just plastic, so that will be a project car. And I'm not sure who makes this. This also kind of seems like a roundhouse car, but I've never seen Roundhouse make a gondola like this. So that's an interesting car. Here's underneath. I mean, they do look similar. Never mind. Well, kind of. Not really. Maybe. Who knows? And then we have, I believe is to be some Tichy Train ore cars, coal cars. Now, as you can see, they are nicely weathered. Plastic wheels, but they are nicely weathered. Now, this one's missing a wheel. Seems to be it's upside down. Yeah, I think that truck's upside down. Is it? That's what it looks like. Oh no, there's just a bar. Huh. Strange. Yeah, the other ones don't have that. So, that's strange. Whatever. And I think here is a wooden caboose. Now look at this caboose. Very small caboose. I mean, the ore car is bigger than the caboose. And it's all wood. It's really heavy because I think this whole this whole underframe is die cast. It's got Kadee trucks, which are good trucks. And we have a bunch of O-scale coal because I plan on crushing it up so I can fit it in some of the ore cars. We got more, and I think that's it. So we have 5 things of coal. Now that would be a good amount of coal. Here we have, I'm not too sure what this is. I think it's another caboose. Yeah. Die cast too. It's all die cast. Wow. I wonder who makes this one. Can't see, but it's a die cast caboose. Pennsylvania, pretty nice. That's really nice, actually. I'm trying to think of who makes this. Because it has screws, so it might be a Varney. I'm not too sure. Here we have, I think, more of the ore cars. Yep. And I think, okay, yeah, so look, this one does have the bar at the bottom. So yeah, here's this one with the bar at the bottom. And here's another one. I think Titchy Train makes these. I think they're kits too. Very, very nice looking cars. Very good weathering job, whoever did them. Put these to the side. Now we're getting on to the boxed stuff. So here's an AccuRail kit for the Independence Terminal Railway with a bell. I think it's a Liberty Bell. This is a convention car. There we go. Here we have this very old Athearn, probably from the 50s or early 60s. Shell tank car kit, all metal. I think everything's here. Now there are no instructions, but the internet probably has some. Oh no, it looks like Zinc Pest. Look at that. Dang, that sucks. Eh. It looks kind of like someone has tried to work on it, because this underframe is partially built. Huh. That would be a very interesting kit to build. Or try to build. Here we have this Athearn Fruit Growers Express reefer. I like their 50-foot reefers. I think they are very, very nice reefers. Here we have, I'm not sure what this is. So this is definitely not Athearn. I'm trying to think of what car this brand is. It's probably an AccuRail. Or is that an Atlas? Do you think that's an Atlas or an AccuRail? I think it's an Atlas. Comes with some spider webs too. It does have some extra detail parts right here. And this is a Bowser. I like the Bowser stuff a lot, so this is a good car. So we'll go with my other Bowser stuff. Oh, okay, so this is 50-foot PS. So this is the correct car. Huh. I didn't know Athearn made. It might not be an Athearn car. It might be like a Bev Bell. Yeah, and here's this nice Union Pacific gondola kit. Very nice. Yep. And then we have, I think this is, yep, flat car. Yeah. This thing's heavy. I think there's a thicker weight in there. Because dang, this thing is heavy. Also been weathered, and there's people in there too. So many spider webs, cobwebs in here. Look right there. There's a spider web right there. And then now we have, this is very light. Seaboard System piggyback service. This will go good with my Seaboard System engines. I just need to get some flat cars for it. Do you think that L and N flat car will work? Not sure if I can haul 3 of these, but I got 2 more right here. Yep. And then I think, I'm not too sure, I think it's the last item, yeah. So this will be in addition to my other Santa Fe reefers. Very nice. Oh wow, there's printing on the roof. Oh, that's a bummer. I can glue that back though. That one's also kind of broken, but No biggies, no biggies.